What can Brown do for you? How about disappoint the market? Investors do not love logistics on Tuesday morning. UPS reported earnings that missed forecasts, and its guidance isn't that great either. The company cited, wait for it, economic uncertainty in the U.S. and around the world in explaining why its customers are a little bit more nervous and its results going forward may not be as solid as they had hoped earlier this year. This really should not be a big surprise to anyone. UPS, obviously a company that depends on a healthy macro environment around the world. So what we're seeing in Europe, definitely a worry. What we're seeing in China, concerns about a possible hard landing there, that's not good news. And then there's that fiscal cliff again in the US that we're nearing closer to falling over. UPS, obviously not the first company to warn about the slowing global economy, and it's not going to be the last either. Even in this sector, I think people are going to be worried about FedEx and what the UPS warning means for them. FedEx stock down Tuesday morning in tandem with UPS. But let's be honest here, the bottom line is that many companies still can do well even in what is not exactly an ideal economic environment. Not going to say that companies are using the fiscal cliff in Europe as an excuse, but here are many companies that will still do well. Apple, likely to be one of them, reporting earnings after the bell on Tuesday. I'd be stunned if that company started to say that the European debt crisis and concerns about the U.S. debt situation with the fiscal cliff is likely to lead to any big pullback on spending for iPhones and iPads. So there are some companies out there that are just too good, too strong, and they can outstand or outlast this poor economy we're in right now. They may be in the minority, but there are going to be some out there.